Alright everybody, we're back out here with the Walkera Vitus. And let's start it up. I calibrated a bunch of stuff all over again. Namely the gimbal. The gimbal is, the calibration on that thing is like nothing you ever saw. Okay, so that's a little bit odd how that's done. Okay, so it's still saying that exception, so we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so it's saying there's no satellites. That's why it's saying exception. It says position hold mode is on. So I'm just gonna wait around just for a little bit here to see if any GPS comes in. Because I'm seeing, what does that say? Oh, 7. I guess you have to have more. It's in the red. But really I'm concerned mostly about the gimbal right now, because the other, it seemed like it was flying okay. So basically that's what I was worrying about. There, it's going up and down. Okay, the exception's gone, so it has to get up into those X amount of satellites. Not sure exactly how many, but more than 8 or more than 7 before it can let that exception go. Okay, so we'll just go with that, and we'll see if we'll take off and see if this gimbal rattles around anymore. A little bit on the windy side here, guys, but I got to get out here and fly this thing eventually. Okay, I'm gonna start some video. Now let's see if it'll start rattling when I start the video recording. Well, it seems to be holding the position pretty good now. So I'm just gonna fly it around a little bit in this park. I came to this nice small park where you can't do anything stupid, okay? I just want to fly it around nice and easy till we get it all figured out. I don't care about what's going on. Yeah, this park isn't that big. I think it's only at the most a couple hundred feet. Let's see if I go over there. Let me look down. What is the distance? 68 feet away. Let's see, so if I go down, so I'm 163 feet away right there, so it's probably like 200 feet away, to be honest. That's not that far, believe me. Like I said, I'm just babying this thing right now. We're just taking little steps at a time. It's very stable. I mean, it's nice and quiet, and the motors are just humming away there. Oh, the obstacle avoidance is tripping off. Okay. Okay, so that's looking good now. Okay then. All right, looks pretty good, man. No complaints here. I'm gonna go up to Lake Somerset tomorrow, so I'll take it up there. I think I might have that gimbal problem worked out. A couple more calibrations I did at the kitchen table. So, yeah, seems pretty good. Now that the video didn't rattle around that much, that way I'll get to see what it really looks like now, because it's not going to be shaking all over the place. So I'm going to cut the video now, so at least we saved that. So there it goes, man. All right, very successful flight there. Okay. I'm happy. I'm very happy now. So far, so good now. All right, guys. It's cold and windy, so I'm gonna scoot. I'm just gonna fly this little mini quad here for a couple of minutes. I want to see how it is in the wind. So, all right, guys. You have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.